powerful storm suddenly struck Taiwan today, causing a state of emergency. The storm, which surprised residents this morning, brought strong winds and heavy rains, causing landslides and road closures in several cities. The powerful storm in Taiwan today caused widespread damage to infrastructure and flooded many residential areas. Residents were surprised by the wind speeds, which exceeded expectations, prompting authorities to issue urgent warnings.
外面啥都看不到。
The Taiwanese government declared a state of emergency after the powerful storm in Taiwan today threatened the lives of thousands of citizens. Rescue and relief teams were deployed to the affected areas to provide assistance and evacuate residents to safer locations. Schools and airports were closed due to the severe weather, and domestic and international flights were suspended. Taiwan's Central Meteorological Administration confirmed that the powerful storm in Taiwan today was among the most violent this year. The heavy rains caused flash floods in coastal areas, while trees and power poles were brought down in streets. Taiwanese media broadcast live images showing the extent of the destruction and damage caused by the strong winds.
This is my kingdom come.
对，哎呀，
我看一下哎。我靠！我靠！家里
在这，
联军，东西掉了。
外面啥都看不到。
Experts warn that today's powerful storm in Taiwan could last for hours and develop into a typhoon if wind speeds continue to rise. Residents are living in a state of fear and anxiety, while authorities do their utmost to control the situation. This powerful storm in Taiwan today is a stark reminder of the seriousness of climate change and its growing impact on island nations in Asia. Please share the video with your friends. Support us by liking and subscribing to the channel to stay up to date. Thank you for watching.